Hello, good morning. My name is Elsa Siombing. I'm from the third semester. The major is tourism. Now I want to tell you about the itinerary for Borneo Rainforest and Village Family Adventure. In this itinerary, we have 9 days. I will tell you, start from day 1. Day 1 is arrive in Kota Kinabalu. Welcome to Borneo. Upon arrival in Kota Kinabalu International Airport, meet your empty sobek guide and drive at the arrivals hall and transfer to the hotel. Spend the rest of the day relaxing or exploring Kota Kinabalu, a coastal city in Malaysian Borneo known for its bustling markets, modern boardwalk, beaches, and waterfront esplanade. Tonight, you are treated to a sumptuous welcome dinner at a local restaurant. Day 2 is experience Murut hospitality in Oro Sopulot. Transfer to Oro Sopulot and on to Labang village, where you are immersed in local culture with the Murut, the last of the ethnic group in Sabah to renounce headhunting. After lunch at Orosapulot, embark on a short walk to discover the virtual unexplored Tinahas Alps. With an underground stream and beautiful stalactite and stalagmite formations, return to camp for a refreshing swim in the river. Enjoy a traditional Murut meal for dinner and admire the starry sky before falling asleep on a striker hammock to the sound of the jungle. Day 3 is explore Oro Sapulot. After an early breakfast, spend the morning swimming in the hidden, multi-red Kobulongo waterfall. Access via some easy jungle trekking. Later, continue to a modern village house at Romor village. This longhouse sits high above a valley, overlooking the forest and surrounding areas. Spend the afternoon learning about local tradition and customs, and have the opportunity to participate in community work with villagers, such as planting trees on their farm or teaching English to the local children. Tonight, feast on traditional Murut food while enjoying cultural dance performance. Day 4, make your way to Sepilok. After breakfast, say goodbye to your lovely Murut house and return to Kota Kinabalu, then transfer to the airport for a flight to Sandakan. Upon arrival, meet your driver who transfer you to Sepilok Nature Resort. This quaint collection of wooden cottages surrounding a lake is set in an impressive landscape area of manicured lawns and hills. After dinner, retire for the night. Day 5, be amazed by the wildlife of Borneo. Walk to the Borneo Sun Beer Conservation Center, a wildlife conservation and research center for the world's smallest bear. After a private tour, visit the Supilok Orangutan Rehabilitation Center to meet rescued orangutan being trained to survive again in the wild. Transfer to Sandakan for lunch, then boat to the Kina Batangan River, home to Borneo Highness concentration of fauna. Look for orangutan, pygmy elephant, hornbills, and proboscis monkeys. After setting into your riverfront chalet, take a dash wildlife watching river cruise. Follow dinner at the lodge with an optional night walk instead of nocturnal forest residence. Day 6 is take river safari, cruise, and help restoration effort. Spend today exploring the remarkably biodiverse 24 miles long Kinabatangan River, a heaven for native wildlife. Start with an early morning river safari cruise, and then visit a local village where you are treated to a ham-cooked breakfast next. Tour a local forest restoration project site and participate in tree planting while learning about the community restaurant's efforts. After lunch and a rest, embark on another river cruise searching for wildlife just before a magical sunset. See even more critters on another night walk or river cruise after dinner and at the resort. Day 7 is enjoy a Gaia Island beach day and date night. Rise early for breakfast and your journey to Gaia Island via Sandaka and Kota Kinabalu. Spend the afternoon seaside, snorkeling, kayaking, or going for a jungle walk. Come evening, resort staff lay the kids for fun activities while the parents have a romantic seaside dinner on their own. Day 8 is Discover Gaia Island. Release an entire day on the remarkable, biodiverse Gaia Island, a natural conservation area rife with jungle and marine life. Spend hours at your leisure relaxing at the beach, laughing at the resort, or exploring the island. Tonight, celebrate your memorable Borneo adventure with a group farewell dinner. Day 9 is depart from Kota Kinabalu. After breakfast and relaxing morning on Gaia Island, say goodbye to the group and depart to the Kota Kinabalu airport for your flight back home. Okay, thank you. This is the itinerary. Thank you for your attention. I say